So people asking one question. Sir, can you create ads on using Google Map? Yes. When Google Map will be published, we can create an ads. You can create an your ads. So your mapping will be published here successfully. Once ad your submit will be successfully, you can create your ads. The totally three type of ads will be created: website traffic, and store visit, and generating for business calls. Total we have three: store visit, website traffic, and get your phone call. In this, what option call is create ad. Google mapping create ad means AdWords Express. AdWords Express. Click the create ad. The totally we design your ads will be totally three type of ads. How many types of ads? Totally three types of ads. One is called store visit, website traffic, and get your phone call. Please note down the three categories. The minimum budget is called, you can add by 2000 rupees. For campaign budget, minimum will be start for 2000 rupees. Here, create a campaign. See here, get more calls, physical location visit, and website sales and sign up. In this one, select your pick the goal, create your ads. Is it clear? So based on the requirement, select your any ads and increase your business leads, phone call, store visit also. Suppose I'm getting for mapping. My mapping visitors are very low. They select by the second location. So people visiting my mapping, nobody can pick the calls. You can go for get call campaign. Suppose any sales and your sign up, go for that campaign. So three type of ads will create by the using Google Map. This is called creative ads on Google Mapping option.